Hello, this short video is designed to give you information on Tasking's support ticketing system. We will review how you can access this system, and we will also look at an example of creating a ticket and what information you will need to give for that ticket from the perspective of the LDRA test tools. To start, how to access this ticketing system. You can go either from the Tasking website, this is tasking.com, go to the Contact Us section, and scrolling down, you will see on the right-hand side, we have technical support and a link to the Tasking support ticketing system. Alternatively, if you would like to go there directly, you can look up support.tasking.com. From here, we can either use the knowledge base and look up information on any of the tools, or if we're looking to go in and review our tickets or create a new one, we would need to log in. Alternatively, if you have not created an account yet, you will need to register with the appropriate information. Once we've registered, we can log in. And once successfully logged in, you will see options to create ticket, view your tickets, or any watched tickets. Watched tickets are something that will become a little bit more apparent once we start to create a ticket. So let's select Create Ticket. The fields that are necessary to fill out will adjust once we select our product line. From here, let's select the LDRA test tools first. Note, if there is a particular field that you're not sure what to put in, please hover over the question mark and you will be given more information on that field or what it is actually looking for. Any fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory to fill out in order to complete the ticket. Next, we have problem category. This helps the team to narrow down the specific staff member that is required to assist. For this, we will use technical problem. We can then enter a summary of our ticket. Please do make sure to put in appropriate information for this in order to make sure that the team are able to assist you in the best possible way. This is simply an example for the video. Next is quite an important section. If you are using any sort of geographically restricted content within your project, for example ITAR, then you will not be able to create a ticket within this system. It is recommended that you contact your local support team via the emails provided. Granted that there is nothing geographically restricted within this, we can select No Restricted Content. Next up, we want to put in our customer ID. If we want more information on where we can find this, please hover over and you will find the information necessary. Next is our operating system. Now, this is not necessarily the operating system that you have installed. It's actually the operating system download that we used for the LDRA tools. So for example, which of these downloads did you use whenever you installed your LDRA tools? If you are unaware, again, please hover and you will see information on how to find this out. For this example, we'll select Windows. Our product version, this is the product version of the LDRA tools, as that is the type of ticket that we have opened. Next up is our target. If you're unsure of what target is required, you will find that it is what is written as the default compiler on your LDRA launcher. It is not necessarily the target that you have in front of you. It is what is installed that is required. For this example, we are using Tasking VX Toolset Tricore. Watchers. Watchers are effectively the same as putting someone in CC of an email. These are people who will be able to see what is going on in the ticket and be able to interact with it. If you would like to put any colleagues or any particular application engineers or account managers within Tasking into this, it is encouraged. If you are put as a watcher to a ticket, you will receive an email simply informing you that you are a watcher and giving you a link to that particular ticket to view. Next is the description that should be added in. Please provide as much information as possible in order for the support team to assist you as best they can. And finally, we have two options for adding in support files. Within the LDRA test tools, there are certain support files that can be provided, MSR or TAS files. Information on these can be found by hovering over the option again, but they are not absolutely mandatory. And we also have other attachments. Say, for example, you may want to provide a non-proprietary snippet of code in order to assist the support team with your query. Simply select the files that you're looking to attach. Once all of this has been completed, select Create Ticket. Once that has been done, you will be able to see this within your My Tickets section. For any more information on this, please feel free to contact your appropriate account manager or application engineer within the tasking teams.